Khan Academy volume, and we're working on the third subtopic, compare volumes with unit cubes. So these prisms are made from the same size unit cubes. Which rectangular prism has greater volume? Some of the cubes might be hidden behind other cubes. Try to visualize all of the cubes. Choose one answer. So do both prisms have equal volume? Is this one a greater or is this one a greater volume? So to figure this out, we're going to have to figure out the volume of B and C. Now, unfortunately, I can't write on the screen, so we're going to kind of have to do this in our heads and as we go. So the volume here is going to be 3, okay, because that's our length times width times height. So 3 times 2, which is 6, and then we have to times that by the height. So that's 1, 2, 3. So 6 times 3. So our volume here is 18. Then when I go to C, trying to figure out our volume, we're going to go 2 times 2, which is 4, and then we're going to multiply that by the height, 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. So B has the greater volume in this one. This was 18 and this was 12. These prisms are made from the same size unit cubes. Which rectangular prism has a greater volume? So same problem we just had. Are they equal, or we have to figure out which one of these has a greater volume? So again, I'm going to use my volume equals length times width times height. I apologize, I can't write on here. So we're going to have to kind of do it in our heads. So length is 2 times the width, which is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then times that by the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. So our volume for this one is 30. Let's go down to the blue one. Length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, times the width, 5 times 1, 2, 3 is 15. And then 15 times the height is 2. So 15 times 2 is 30. So our volume for both of these figures is 30. So we're going to choose that the two prisms have equal volume. Again, which rectangular prism has greater volume? So we're going to multiply the length, 1, 2, 3, 4, times the width, 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, times the height is 2. So 12 times 2 is 24. So our pink one is 24. Our blue one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Times 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then 12 times the height, 1, 2, 3. So 12 times 3 is 36. So our blue one is going to have a larger volume. Okay, again, which rectangular prism has greater volume? Length, 1, 2. Times the width, 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, times the height, which is 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. Here, 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. So both shapes have a volume of 12. So we're going to choose that they have equal volume.